Y'all ain't ready for this.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome to episode 2 of the Sensational series. So today the wig that I'm reviewing is the Sensational Wet Lace Collection Swiss Lace in the style Morgan and in the color 1. So I love black hair on me, even though I think it makes me look older, but it's okay because I actually look my age, I think. But yeah, so let's get into this wig. So if you see my last review, you know what the packaging looks like. All those Wet Lace Collection wigs come in the same packaging. They all come with this card. Sensational did their thing with this Wet Lace Collection because it looks very natural. And I'm looking to the side because that's where my mirror is at, but it looks really natural. I'm barely getting any shedding, and I've had this wig on for a few days. So Sensational really has great quality wigs. I love Sensational. I get most of my wigs from them. They're all 3-part wigs. So you can move it to the side. And it looks really natural. Like, Wet Lace Collection is definitely the most natural synthetic wig line that I've ever had in my life. Like, Sensational got it for that one. So this wig is shorter than the last wig that I reviewed. This one comes down to almost my waist. It's a 13x6 frontal. So I can put it up if I wanted to. Yeah, so I don't have a rubber band right now, but you can wear it up. You can wear it straight back. I know some people like to wear their hair like this with no part. I've never worn my hair like this, but if you're one of the people that do like to wear your hair like this, then you definitely can with this wig. I'd probably wear it with a headband if I wore it like this. So this wig is really bouncy and it definitely gives me virgin hair vibes, and I love it. This like Sensational really is killing the game. Like, run my hands straight through the wig, no tangles. Can wear it back in a ponytail. Just pretend I have a rubber band right now, but you can put it in a ponytail, or you can even put it in a low bun. Once again, Sensational has another 10 out of 10 wig, and I think everybody should just go out and buy this collection because wet lace, like they said. Look at this, like, this looks so natural, it's not even funny. So it does come with pre-plucked baby hairs, so I didn't have to do anything but gel them down. And let me know if y'all want to see a video of how I apply my wig, because I haven't made one of those videos yet, and I'm honestly not going to unless you guys want to see me apply my wig. So if y'all want to see me apply my wig, let me know in the comments. this is the colors that it comes in. The wig comes pre-customized, so you literally don't have to do anything but put the wig on and do your baby hairs, like, and you're good to go. Every time I put on a Sensationnel wig, I just be feeling myself, like feeling myself. Yeah, I definitely recommend this wig. It's really cute. I'll leave all the details to this wig in the description box so you can go get you one. I get all my wigs from Ebonyline.com. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Also, I have my lashes and lip gloss that are both from my cosmetics line, which is restocking next month. Well, that's when the official restock will be next month. And I'm adding lip glosses to this line, so stay in tune. Don't forget to follow the Instagram princesscosmetics.co.co. And yeah, my camera's about to die, so I gotta get up out of here.